Mahesh Babu hits and flops and budget and collections up to SSMB 29. First movie Rajakumarudu released in 1999. Director K. Raghavendra Rao. Budget 3 crores. Collection 10 crores. Hit. Second movie Yuvaraju released in 2000. Director YVS Chaudhary. Budget 2 crores. Collection 5 crores. Average. Third movie Vamsi released in 2000. Director Gopal. Budget 5 crores. Collection 2 crores. Flop. Fourth movie Murari released in 2001. Director Krishna Vamshi. Budget 3 crores. Collection 10 crores. Hit. Fifth movie Takkar Donga released in 2002. Director Jayant Paranji. Budget 10 crores. Collection 11 crores. Average. Sixth movie Bobby released in 2002. Director Shoban. Budget 9 crores. Collection 2 crores. Disaster. Seventh movie Vakkadu released in 2003. Director Gunashekhar. Budget 9 crores. Collection 40 crores. Blockbuster. Nizam released in 2003. Director Teja. Budget 10 crores. Collection 8 crores. Flop. Ninth movie Nani released in 2004. Director S.J. Surya. Budget 12 crores. Collection 4 crores. Disaster. 10th movie Arjun released in 2004. Director Gunashekhar. Budget 20 crores. Collection 19 crores. Flop. 11th movie Atadu released in 2005. Director Trivikram. Budget 12 crores. Collection 25 crores. Super hit. 12th movie Pokri released in 2006. Director Puri Jagannath. Budget 12 crores. Collection 70 crores. Industry hit. 13th movie Sainikudu released in 2006. Director Gunashekhar. Budget 25 crores. Flop. 14th movie Atithi released in 2007. Director Surendra Reddy. Budget 20 crores. Collection 15 crores. Flop. 15th movie Kaleja released in 2010. Director Trivikram. Budget 30 crores. Collection 21 crores. Flop. 16th movie Dookudu released in 2011. Director Srinu Vaitla. Budget 35 crores. Collection 101 crores. Blockbuster. 17th movie Businessman released in 2012. Director Puri Jagannath. Budget 40 crores. Collection 90 crores. Super hit. 18th movie Seethamma Vakitlo Sirimala Chettu released in 2013. Director Srikanth Addala. Budget 40 crores. Collection 85 crores. Super hit. 19th movie Nenokkadine released in 2014. Director Sukumar. Budget 80 crores. Collection 79 crores. Flop. 20th movie Agadu released in 2014. Director Srinu Vaitla. Budget 65 crores. Collection 34 crores. Disaster. First movie Srimantudu released in 2015. Director Koratar Shiva. Budget 40 crores. Collection 200 crores. Industry hit. 22nd movie Brahmosavam released in 2016. Director Srikanth Addala. Budget 75 crores. Collection 53 crores. Disaster. 23rd movie Spider released in 2017. Director A.R. Muragadas. Budget 120 crores. Collection 63 crores. Disaster. 24th movie Bharat Ane Nenu released in 2018. Director Koratal Shiva. Budget 65 crores. Collection 220 crores. Blockbuster. 25th movie Maharshi released in 2019. Budget 100 crores. Collection 200 crores. Super hit. 26th movie Sarler Neekevaru released in 2020. Director Anil Ravapudi. Budget 100 crores. Collection 255 crores. Blockbuster. 27th movie Sarkar Varpata released in 2022. Director Parshuram. Budget 75 crores. Collection 230 crores. Blockbuster. 28th movie Guntur Karam released in 2024. Director Trivikram Srinivas. Budget 200 crores. Collection 184 crores. Average. నెక్స్ట్ అప్కమింగ్ మూవీ వచ్చి రాజమౌళి గారు డైరెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారనమాట. ఈ మూవీకి టైటిల్ ఇంకా పెట్టలేదు.